no, it's so bad. It was... Oh.
Oh my god. Holy moly. I'm tearing up. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm crying and I'm sweating and my stomach hurts. Oh my god.
Are you okay? Oh god. You had pretty intense, iconic noises going on there. Like, I thought y'all were like transforming into like a vacuum cleaner or some shit. I was worried. Y'all were like sucking up air more intensely than like anything I've heard in my life. Y'all were like my computer in like 90-degree weather.
It sounds like when your ears start ringing after a grenade. I forgot there was a stream going.
Oh, yeah, there's a stream going.
Oh. Hi, guys.
Say bye, y'all.
Bye, everyone. Make sure not to get HIV and don't go to Wendy's.
You're talking about my life.
It's valid. You can talk about your life if you want to. Alright. Let's cut this.